let's say cut and okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, you can see here. This is a fully done frequency generator. You can see we are done. This is the cooling fan. You can come closer, please. And you can see this is the output. This is our multimeter. And here you can see a 40 watt bulb too, which will be connected in parallel for 80 watts. And we'll also be testing it with this is soldering iron. A 60 watt voltage range, right? Yeah. Okay, now you can see first. Let's test it with this. Say 3.7 volts, not up to, it will be 2.2 or 2.1 volts now because it has been fully discharged. You can see. Now we'll be testing it with this bulb each. Now come closer, you can see. This is 40. Now we'll test with the 3 battery, just to get everything complete. Okay. Connect and face with one. You can see that's 40 watts. Now make it 80. You can see the 80 watts. Look at the multimeter. No, you can continue there. Yes, you can see the voltage is still stable at 250 volts. At the multimeter, you can see it at 250 volts. Come closer, come higher. You can see the bulbs is still on. And I see having free energy of 250 volts with just this small battery. Now we'll also be testing it with our soldering iron. So please continue.
Pause.
No, we're not inside.
More than pause. Okay, continue. Just the thing, you can go on and plug it. Okay, let's see. Okay, indicate, right? Okay, now our soldering iron is being plugged. Now let me do the connection. Look at it. Look, can you see the light is on. Look at it. Can see? No, I'm the one indicating it. Can see the light? Yeah. Look at the multimeter, it's also moving. Look at the fan, it's also moving. Now watch this soldering iron. You can see the voltage is still high. Okay, okay, you can see. I see getting high voltage to 250 volts. And watch our multi. Look at the soldering iron. Point the okay, you on the lights. You can see it's on. It is getting hot. Sorry, what have you? It's getting hot. The one we're doing, I'm going to test it to see. See the water. You can see the water being dissolved. You can see. Look at the water is being dissolved. Look at it. You can see that this thing is hot. You can see how this one. Watch this. You know if you make noise. It doesn't. You never even want to finish itself.
No, it don't. That battery don't low.
The battery doesn't see weak.
Yes, it don't weak.
And but you see the output the same current. We just use and test load. Now the battery is try. But must continue. Leave them. See it. You can see powers the soldering iron. Power the load and connect onto that bulb to the 40 watts. You can see the soldering iron is also connected. Yes. You can see the soldering iron is still connected. Soldering iron is connected. Let's start with the bulb. One bulb, 40 watts. Test it. You can see 60, 70, which is 80 watts. No, 6 plus 4, 100 watts. You can see
100
it's powering an 100 watt device, 60 watts here, and there's 40 watts here. Now this is 80 plus 60. Now put them together. Look at the low battery. What's the other one?
Sharp.
80 plus 60. How many watts is that?
That's 140 watts.
140 watts. You can see it's powering an 140 watt device.
150.
150, and the battery here is low. It's below 11 volts.
11 volts.
Below 11 volts, maybe 9.something volts. And it's power 150 volts. Which means it's outputting higher voltage and higher current. So this is a very reliable device and very efficient. So we'll be doing a video next time to explain more about it. You can see there's no hidden cable, just this.
Back arm up.
Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Now go to the watch if you haven't already subscribed.